Hello, everyone. Um, does this does this look familiar to you? Yep. It's a collection video. Enjoy. So I'm gonna put them all in like sections: Southern, Great Western, Midland, Northeastern. You get the picture. Oh well, let's start off right here. Here's my Brighton Terrier, or A1. Linil. Very nice model. This one's my favorite. The Southern, not London, Brighton, and South Coast Railway H1 Atlantic Leopards. It's a very beautiful model. Here's one of my newest ones that wasn't in the very first collection video I made. The Peacock in ROD. This one's a preserved example. To be honest, this one's the only preserved Southern engine I have in here. And here's one of my favorites, the Q1. Ugly machine, but still good. Here's my first model. Yes, this is actually a Western engine. A 101 class, which only one was made and it was scrapped. And of course, the engine right here, yeah, you can see it. It was never built. L92, which is preserved. I don't know where it's located, but maybe we'll find out. Here's one of my favorites, King Edward V, which I kind of customized and gave him headlamps, the Express Engine head code, and a British Railways logo on both sides of the tender. You can say I'm trying to plan a series with them. Here's my most recent model. This is my newest. Earl of Brooklyn, located on the Bluebell Railway. Here we see my Lancashire and Yorkshire Railway tank engine. Got this one for a pretty good bargain on rails at Sheffield. Princess Elizabeth, a beautiful model. Here's another new model, a Coronation class, also known as Duchess of Hamilton. Very beautiful, but also very shiny. This is another new model from the Night Mail train. This is a Northeastern Railway design. I don't know what it's called. Here's Flying Scotsman, a new A4 I got. Well, not new, because I had it on Christmas of 2020. Silver Link. It's Spencer! No, shut up. Shut up. Sir Nigel Grizzly, my favorite A4 of all time. Besides this one, it's Sir Nigel Grizzly again. No, shut up. It's Mallard. Mallard. What do I sound like? Winston Churchill. And Tornado. Here's another engine, which is the standard class 9F Evening Star. A very beautiful model. And my mom actually got this confused as Tornado. Can see why, just different mill arrangements. Let's get to industrial on this. Here is my only industrial engine. A number 3 Andrew Barclay, which I customized him with a brass number 3. He might be in a series I make. And here's my only diesel. I don't really care about diesels, so it's gonna be my only one. Actually, stay here to die. And that's my collection. I totally do not have a diesel. But what would I have to pick as my favorites? Here's my 5 favorites. Boom. Boom, obviously. Boom. 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 And what would I say be my fave? I know it's not a pretty machine, but deal with it. So yeah, this is basically like a video to celebrate me having 10 subscribers, but I know it's early. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. And also, when will you die?